Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see the poem The Village Preacher written by Oliver Goldsmith. Before beginning the video, please subscribe my channel. Oliver Goldsmith. His period is begun in 1728 and ends in 1774. During the 18th century, Oliver Goldsmith was the most popular English writer, and he was born in small village in Ireland. His first work, The Deserted Village, which was published in 1770, it made him to be a most popular writer among that time. Some works are The Vicar of Wakefield, The Good-Natured Man, and She Stoops to Conquer. Oliver Goldsmith died at the age of 46 in 1774. Let's start a summary. There is a place, once its place is considered as the beautiful garden, but now all the flowers are become dull and all the shrubs and herbs are grown together. It looked like a wild area. And there were one of the preacher's house was there. All people in the village were love their preachers. The preacher has an annual income is just only for 40,000, but it's not a large amount, but he is feel happy with that amount. And the preacher was quite rich. He wanted to live in village only, not settle down in advanced cities like other peoples are going there. But some of the peoples who are settled down in towns, after seeking power and money, the person will be changed. But some people have changed their policy which was suit for them. But here the poet is describing that the preacher follows only a certain type of principles. The preacher not interested in economic status, and he also helped all the poor peoples who peoples like wandering peoples and beggars, and he also used to help the beggars, and he considered the beggar as the honorable guest. Here the preacher is saying about his own experience. One of the soldiers came to his house. The soldier has lost all his monies and he had no longer proud. Soldier sitting in his near fireside, and he is saying about his own experience, that he is narrating about he's participated in several battles. When he participated in this battle, he got his many wounds. The soldier has saying about his sorrow stories to his preachers. Preacher was very pleasure to hear the stories. The soldier was saying that. The preacher make a pretty over the sorrow while seeing a sorrow people, and he used to help them all. But he had some of the failing in his. Even he has the failing to appear and it considered to be as a virtue. For example, sometimes the preachers help the undeserving people like a person who are always spending a more money in unwanted things. When other angle we seeing these kinds of preachers doing like this, it's considered to be as he is a virtue. Even the preacher used to cry while seeing poor people. They were suffering times, and he also like a mother bird. How the mother bird is trying a young birds to fly. Likewise, he also one of the mother to his village. He tried to correct all the possible methods. He used to help all the possible methods. Sometimes he considered to be a very gentle, and sometimes he become very harsh. His intentions while he was in harsh time means some people are doing wrong things. He wanted to intend to correct them. That person wanted to lead a life with pure. Once the preacher went to see the man who was in a deathbed. That man is being very guilty under pain, but the preacher had went there and see because he wanted to smoothen the man and remove all pains and the guilty. Before the man is dying, the man also praises the preacher for his good concern. When the preacher was in church, the church is considered as usually as a holy place. In the holy place, the preacher used to preach the everyone. The truth would come out from his, let's just consider to be a, it made him actually a double effect. Some of the foolish people also come to church and make fun over him. After hearing a words from his preacher, and they stay until their prayer ends. After her service, the preachers sit together with village rustic man and chat with each other and discuss about some of the topics or problems with informal manner. That time the children are come to pluck his gown in order to make a smile on his face. When we used to see the preacher smile on his face, it's to be considered as the like a parental affection. While he's seeing a happy people, he also happy. Sometimes the preacher used to see some people who are in troubles or sufferings, and he also become very sad. The preacher gave his heart and love to all peoples and patronizers, and he also concerned about the God thoughts also. The preacher was respected by everyone. He is like a tall cliff. When a storm is come and attack the cliff, only the base of the cliff only are damaged. The top of the cliff will not be affected by the storm. Likewise, here also a preacher. His mind is only about a God, not by other earthly problems or sufferings. That's all summary for the village preacher.